I'm Will Scott, author of The Culture Fix and founder of the Culture Fix Academy.
My name is Kris Kluver, and I am the author and founder of the Life on Your Terms books and programs.
I'm Patrick Bryant, CEO of Code and Trust, software development firm.
The Three Growth Guys is an amazing new format for EO learning events all over the world.
This is a different kind of EO event, really tailored with the member in mind.
You see, so many learning events are only taking care of one area of the entrepreneur's life, aren't they?
We together really are this trifecta of communications and thought around how to grow your business,
Grow your people,
And grow yourself. We look forward to seeing you.